Hi, let's learn what happens when we convert one solid shape to another solid shape. So here our kid converted one cone figure to one sphere figure. He has a clay and he firstly created a cone, and then after that he decided he will change it to sphere, and then the dimension of cone was 24 centimeter was its height and 6 centimeter was its radius. Now let's see what will be the radius of the sphere if the same clay is converted into sphere. So once a figure is converted into another shape, the volume of that remains the same. So volume of the cone will be the same, and the volume of sphere will also be the same as that of cone. So volume of cone, we know like how to calculate it. It's 1 by 3 pi r square h. So if we put the numbers and variable here, which is 1 by 3, 22 by 7, multiply by 6 is the radius, 6 square, and then height is 24, which is h 24. And we also know how to calculate the volume of a sphere, which is 4 by 3 pi r1 raised to the power 3. So we have put r1 because here it may be a different radius of a sphere, could be different that of a cone. So if we solve these equation, so will firstly 22 by 7 is at both sides, so we can reduce that 22 by 7, then divided by 3, and divided by 3 again is both the sides, so we can also cut that 3. Now here remaining is 6 square multiplied by 24, and here 4 r1 raised to the power 3. So here 4 is a factor of r1 raised to the power 3. If we move it to another side, this will become a denominator. So let's rewrite this equation. r1 raised to the power 3 will be equal to 6 square multiplied by 24, and this 4 will come as a denominator. So then we can reduce 24 by 4, and then resultant number will be 6. So the number will be 6, square will be 6 multiplied by 6, and then multiply by 6, which is r1 raised to the power 3. So r1 will be 6 centimeter. So the radius of the sphere formed by the child will be 6 centimeter.